Gnocchetti alla Norcina is ricotta gnocchi served with a sauce that is typical from the town of Norcia in Umbria, Italy. Norcia is known for their high-quality dressed pork products, including sausages and salamis. Highly skilled pork butchers from Norcia, also known as Norcinos, hire out all over Italy for their services and quality artisan-style meats. My name is Sabrina Tinsley, and I'm going to demonstrate step-by-step how to put this very delicious and simple recipe together. To make this simple recipe, you'll need 1 link of La Spiga's pork and prosciutto sausage, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of grated Parmigiano Reggiano, and 2 servings of La Spiga's gnocchetti, which is ricotta gnocchi. If that's not available, you can also use potato gnocchi from La Spiga or 8 ounces of dried pasta. To enhance this recipe, you will need 1 tablespoon of Urbani white or black truffle butter. This is optional, but highly recommended. We'll start by gently sautéing your sausage in a sauté pan with just a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. While the sausage is cooking, add about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and stir it in to dissolve. Once the sausage is browned, add the cream and bring to a boil, then simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Remove the pan from the heat and stir in the optional truffle butter until melted. Set aside. In the meantime, bring a pot of water to a boil. Be sure to salt it. I would recommend 1 tablespoon of salt per 2 quarts of water. Once the water boils, drop in your gnocchetti or other pasta and cook until it's done. The gnocchetti will take about 3 to 5 minutes. Once your pasta has reached desired tenderness, strain your pasta and reserve a little bit of the cooking liquid in case we need to hydrate our pasta later. At this point, add your strained pasta to the hot Norcina sauce. Sauté over medium heat, tossing often to tighten up the sauce. Add Parmigiano and toss to incorporate. If needed, thin out the sauce with a little of your reserved pasta water. Once you've reached the desired consistency, transfer your pasta to your serving plates and enjoy. Buon appetito!